Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my October monthly spread in my classic size dashboard layout happy planner. Let's see, we're going to use gingham pumpkins, some new cute decorative stickers that are available in my shop at pleasantlyplanned.com. All my stickers are 50% off, and if you'll look, I have one of my new dashboards here on my October monthly dashboard or divider. I picked out two different washes. This is an orange and like this navy blue. It does have some rose gold little star accents on it, but I think it'll look really cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I really think that I want to use this sticker down in the bottom, but I'm going to lay my long sideboard sticker down first. I think that would be the smart thing to do. Yep, and then I kind of want to lay my decorative sticker over top of the sidebar. So I do have new boxes sheets. They're redesigned, and they include, this has a little pin mark on it, that's why I didn't sell it, but they include all of these boxes and headers with a long sidebar. These are all sized to fit perfectly to a classic size happy planner, so you don't have to worry about not fitting in your planner, like your sidebars and whatnot. So those are all 50% off as well. There's no code needed to save the 50% off. The only things that are not the only things that are, I think it'll save me some time to say, the only things that are 50% off that have a discount right now are my stickers. So dashboards, covers, clear dividers, and my washi are not 50% off. There's no discount available for any of those things, but you can definitely save some money on your decorative items. So let's take this floral and kind of put up here at the top. We're going to cover up Saturday, but I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me. And then I think I'm going to just cut here. I want to say thank you to everybody who has ordered so far. You guys are really making a difference in giving me confidence to keep chugging along with Pleasantly Planned, even though I do have a full-time job outside of the home. Things are going good at work, and I'm still sticking to it at work, but I do enjoy having videos and things for Pleasantly Planned and making you guys pretty stickers. All of my orders are caught up, except for, I think, September. Anyways, I only have 4 or 5 orders caught up. I've shipped several orders in the last several days, but all of my orders are caught up right now. Today is Sunday. I will be going to work tomorrow, which is Monday and Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I'm off, and I will continue filling orders. So Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday are my Pleasantly Planned work days. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday are my animal hospital work days. But orders are caught up and going out in a timely manner, so I'm proud of that. All right, I do have a sticky note of things that I have to get done. So on the 2nd, my 90 days is up at my job, so I will be an official employee. I think I'm going to try to straighten this up just a little bit. And then on the 6th, my oldest son turns 24. 24 years I've been a mama. Time flies. Time really flies. Okay, and then on the 7th, I have a test at work. I have to do a 90-day test. I'm not going to put a sticker for that. I am going to put a sticker for my hair appointment on the 26th. All right, so we have those stickers. Now I just kind of want to scatter some other stickers about, just to kind of even out the stickers on both sides. So we're going to do this color, and then we'll do an orange over here somewhere, maybe here. And then we're going to put a light blue over here. And I think I'm going to take, no, I'm not. What else can I do? That's good. That's good for now. And let's just see if we can just kind of scatter some little pumpkins around. I think we're just going to scatter this pumpkin here. And then maybe a bigger pumpkin somewhere over here. Right there. And so if I need to do something on the 16th, I can always put a box here and cover up the top of this little sticker to make room for whatever I need to write down. And then I think I am going to use one of my fall quotes. I really want to use Bonfire Babe because I really look forward to like an oyster roast and not a bonfire, but like a little fire, like in a fire pit here at the house. So my boys and I and Kevin, we really like having oyster roasts at home. And, you know, you can only do oysters in the months that end in burr. So it really needs to be nice and cool or cold outside so we can do the fire and the oyster roast. And I don't know, it just makes for the whole event. So yeah, excited about that. I think I'm going to take this little floral and stick up top here. I want to move that over some. So anyways, excited. I love fall. Fall is my absolute favorite season of all seasons. Love, love, love it. Even though we have a tropical depression forming off of our coast as I speak. Hurricane season is not over, but we have been blessed this far. So we'll see what the rest of the season offers us. Hopefully it will be uneventful. I do not like hurricanes at all. All right, look how pretty this is. Now, I do have my washi, so let's add a little bit of washi in here. I think I'm just going to kind of do a little bit of washi at the tops and bottoms. I don't know. We'll see. See what happens. So let's just do a little bit over here. Kind of rainy and yucky out today. It's been gloomy the past few days here. No sunshine. I cut that a little too short, but I'm not going to let it bother me. And then let's just do a little bit up top here. Get over here. I think I'm going to kind of cut this short and not go all the way across. Okay, look how cute this is. I love it. I kind of wish, you know what? I do have skinnier. I was going to say I wish this washi was skinnier, but I do have skinnier washi. So let's change that up just a little bit. Let's pull this up. So this rainbow washi I have on Amazon, or I got on Amazon, and I have it linked down in the description below if you want to get just the skinny and the thin rainbow washi. I think washi always just makes a spread. You can't go wrong when you add washi to a spread. I'm actually going to cut this off here, pull this off. Yeah, these are too thick. Pull that off and then come over here with the thinner one. Oops, I'm going to cut it at a straight line. That was not straight. I fool myself whenever I say I'm going to cut something in a straight line, because it never happens. All right, and then here we go here. Okay, now that looks much better to me. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it alone. I think I could continue on with washi, but I think the more I mess with it, the more I'm just going to keep going, and there's never going to be an end. So I think I'm just going to stop here. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments. Are you ready for fall? Is it starting to become fall weather in your area? I'm super excited for fall. And let everybody know if you went ahead and purchased your fall 2024 collection Pleasantly Planned stickers, or if you have already ordered or plan on ordering your dashboards and or cover. Look how pretty this cover is. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.